just let that start. Crossing Walkfield Station. I don't know who it is.
A penguin can jump as high as 6 feet in the air. That's nearly a dunk. Something else to make you feel good. Geico's been offering great savings and service for over 75 years and has a 97% customer satisfaction rating. And that satisfying coverage isn't just for your car. The Geico insurance.
I know it's not great, guys, but tell you about that.
And Geico offers motorcycle, RV, and boat insurance. You know what else will make you feel good? In Providence, Rhode Island, every night skyscrapers and tugboats blink their lights on and off to wish kids in a children's hospital good night. And Geico is the second largest auto insurer in the country, so breathe easy. We've got your back. Plus, you might be able to save even more money because Geico has local agents.
I found out one day he called Stillwood.
Like military or federal discounts. And Geico offers emergency roadside service. So, Washington.
All right, here we go. Think of train chasing. Now I gotta wait for the spot. There we go. One in front of us. I'm on Walkfield Pike or 355 right now, and he's on track 2 going west. See what he says when I call it Dorwood. Dorwood thing is just after that bridge up there. There's a metro. Oop. I gotta stop with hill so I can concentrate better.
CSX West 2 cleared or what? 958 now.
Alright, CSX 17-10. Westbound 2 and cleared Dorwood. Now I know who it is. I know one of you guys would say, like, why didn't this time to tell me? You know what? Oh, I didn't, wait a minute, I know what I thought of. Train chasing. Duh. That's my, I just thought of it. Forgot about that. I'm not awake yet, guys, so I'm sorry. So I'm not totally awake yet. Here he comes. Yeah, I heard the engines when I was just getting towards Walkfield Station. I was on Fierce Mill Road when I heard them. So, yeah, I'm trying to get it as best I can. Alright. See you guys at Gettysburg Station.